Could social structures exist without Ahamkara? By Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. In exploring the intricate relationship between social structures and Ahamkara, or the sense of self, it is imperative to first delineate the foundational role that Ahamkara plays in the formation of individual identity within a social context. Ahamkara, as articulated in the Blavatskyan Theosophical framework, is not merely a psychological construct, but rather a profound metaphysical principle that underpins the very essence of human experience and interaction. Ahamkara serves as the lens through which individuals perceive themselves and their place within the cosmos. This self-concept is not static, rather it is dynamic and evolves in response to both internal reflections and external social influences. Consequently, the existence of social structures, ranging from familiar units to complex political systems, can be seen as contingent upon the presence of Ahamkara. Without this sense of self, individuals would lack the necessary framework to engage in social roles, thereby undermining the very fabric of communal existence. Furthermore, social structures can be interpreted as manifestations of collective Ahamkara. The shared beliefs, values and norms that characterize a society are in essence an aggregation of individual identities. Each member contributes to a collective narrative that shapes the social order. Thus, the absence of Ahamkara would not only diminish individual identity, but would also lead to the disintegration of social cohesion, as there would be no common ground upon which to build relationships or establish communal goals. Hypothetically, if Ahamkara were to be entirely absent, one might envision a society devoid of personal agency and autonomy. In such a scenario, individuals would exist in a state of disconnection, lacking the motivation to engage in cooperative endeavours or to pursue shared aspirations. This would result in a profound existential void, where social structures as we understand them could neither emerge nor sustain themselves. The implications of this absence extend beyond mere social disarray. They challenge the very notion of what it means to be human in a collective context. In conclusion, the inquiry as to whether social structures could exist without Ahamkara reveals a fundamental interdependence between the two. Ahamkara not only facilitates the formation of individual identities, but also enables the construction of social frameworks that are essential for communal living. Therefore, it can be posited that the essence of social structures is inextricably linked to the presence of Ahamkara, underscoring the significance of this concept within the Blavatskyan Theosophical perspective. The exploration of this relationship invites further reflection on the nature of selfhood and its implications for societal organisation, ultimately enriching our understanding of both individual and collective existence.